Hi, my name is Leo Suarez. Thank you very much for booking our apartment in Devons Road. I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, I am in Canary Wharf station. There is a station for the DLR. That is a train to my left. And here, in the background, you can see the map of the London Underground. I am in Canary Wharf. That is the line on the DLR. That is a green line that is connected with the Jubilee line. That is a grey line. From Canary Wharf, you need to take the DLR for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stations, and you will be in Devons Road. That is exactly what I'm going to do. It's a light rail. Please follow me. I'm going to show you. It's a lovely ride. On a driverless monotrain that will take you to the flat. I love riding in the first seat when it's available, like today, as you will see. Arrive to Devons Road, please always don't forget to touch with your Oyster credit card, whichever you're using. Just walk to the street. You will notice that you are a road bridge. You just turn left, and then you will see two roundabouts. You will have to go straight on both roundabouts, and this is Devons Road. First roundabout. Just remember not to go into Violet Road, that is one way. Keep going like the taxi over there, but you will notice after a few blocks this beautiful building to your right. Please continue walking on Devons Road. 2 blocks ahead, you can probably start seeing the building where we are right now. It's exactly that one after the pub. The pub is a great place. It's been recently redecorated. It's good for local beers and food. So perhaps you may want to have a meal at the pub as you are here. As soon as you pass the pub, the Angel of War, you will see a modern building that is exactly the building where the flat is. The flat is on the 4th floor. It's a